Hey guys, do you by the chance have one of these trolling motor plugs like this and like this? Mine, this one, is a piece of junk. You can put them together, or this particular one. I'm not saying all of them that way, but they lose contact. My trolling motor, every time I get out there and start working, it lose contact. It was always this. It never was my battery like the trolling motor would say it was a battery. It was this. No matter what I done, I couldn't get it to stay in there tight enough to work. Even though it feels tight, it wouldn't stay in there tight. So I done away with it. I want to show you what I done. Now, I've already done this, most of it. I took a regular old twist lock plug. I run my wires to my trolling motor, from my trolling motor, or from my battery. No, this is my trolling motor side, I'm sorry. I run my wires from my trolling motor to my plug. The big wires is for my trolling motor. These are extra wires that I have run for my light that I use at night. So anyway, this goes in here. There's a little notch right there. You see a little notch? It goes together just like this right here. Anyway, screw them 3 screws in. You got it. Now I took from my trolling motor, I got a black and a red wire right here. Black and red. Disregard the white wire. Black and red, and then a solid black. So what I've done is come over here to my other plug. I'll show you. Undo all this. So what I've done is come over here to my other plug, and this probe, I matched it up over here, which is this probe. Red wire here. That probe, that probe. This one here is just a ground. This is actually an electrical plug, but this is actually a ground. That's a ground. You see, I don't have it hooked up. There's nothing there. The black wire, I matched it up with this one, and that's where it goes. Over here it's white, so I matched it up with that one. Black and the white. Over here it's red and black. And all you do, push it in. This is the reason they call it twist lock. Twist it and lock it. They won't do it because the screws right this moment. Now, my dumb self earlier done something stupid. Which really is not uncommon for me. I'll show you in just a minute what I've done. This comes where I've done some sticking. I had to make a hole in this plate. I took a all bit, reamed it out. So this fits just like that. It fits just like that. It's not the, this is where I took this all drill, all bit, and I was gonna make this bigger. And I was doing good, and all of a sudden something slipped. Sliced my finger down to the bone. I just barely got it stopped it bleeding. My wife's pitching fit, want me to go get stitches, but ain't gonna happen. You know, some of us was raised, well, you don't go to the doctor every time some little bitty something happens. Sorry, just the way it is. Alright, let's put all this together. This is not the perfect fit, I agree. And I just probably thought of something. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to see. Because I don't know. That's not the okay. I made this to fit that. But as of right now, it's not going to work, so I'm not going to put it on there because of this lip. I'm going to have to cut this and everything to get it fit better. Because this is not like putting anything in a wall where you put it in the wall from this side and it fits in here. This coming from the back side, from this side. It's coming from this side, like that. So that little piece is not going to work. But we'll come up with something for a cover later. Back up, because I just untaped it to show y'all what I was doing back at the back. So I just want to tape it up. No reason, just want to tape it up. My drill ain't always the best thing. Drill the impact. put my plate back in. I got a little self-tappers hold it in. Screws. Little self-tapper screws for the head. Hold the plate in. That's what I said. This is going to be a lot better because once it gets in there, it's going to stay locked. With that other, just kept losing connection. I never could figure out why. But I fought with it for over a year, trying to give it the best I could do. You know, I mean, I've done everything I possibly do, and every time I lost connection, I would have to take this whole plate off and take it apart. Sometimes I had to clean this down in here. Sometimes I spread them apart. I take this up real good in the back because this was push-pulling out and just wasn't making a connection. And I just got so aggravated with it. This morning I went to Bass Pro to get another connector, and I just thought I could just make my own. But all you do is just put it in. It won't go but one way. You twist it. There, twist it. And it's not coming out. Sit there. Put it in. Twist it. And it's not coming out. There it is, right there. It's not going to come out going in the water, bounce out, or anything like that. I always like to tie that little bundle up right there. And I'll let you know how it goes. But I think it's going to be a whole lot better. I don't think I'll have any more trouble out of that. You don't know how many times you be out there and you're fighting with it. GPS just come on. But anyway, you be out there and the red light comes on. Saying the battery's low, and all it is where the wasn't making a good connection. The first couple of times I charged the battery, cleaned the battery post, charged it, come find out it was just this connection the whole time. Alright, well, I know it's a little crazy video, but it's just a little small one showing you how I was doing that. Alright, so maybe it'll help you, maybe not. I don't know. You might not have that problem. But I appreciate you watching anyway. And if you would, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Come back and see. Have a good day.